Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the portrait mode not working on your iPhone camera. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes, also write your comments. Let's get started. And first, I'm going to show you a few ways that you can do this. But I'll tell you that in general, portrait mode on the camera is a mode when you take a picture of yourself or a person, but the background remains blurred, so only the face is clear. That's why it's called portrait mode. And if it's not working for you, go to the settings on your phone. Then scroll down a little bit. Find battery. Then you'll need to turn off power saving mode if you have it active. Then exit out. Scroll down to the camera. Go to camera. Next, go to the settings section. Now you need to disable the first section of camera mode if you have it active. Go back to the camera and disable the grid as well. After that, I recommend rebooting your device. And next, try to see if you have portrait mode working on your iPhone after the reboot. If it still doesn't work, then again go to Settings. Go down to Basic. Scroll down to the bottom. And here you'll choose to reset or reset your iPhone. Next, choose Reset. And the very first thing is reset all settings. This will reset your phone to factory settings, so to speak. This may affect the deletion of some data such as passwords as well as photos. But this way, you'll be able to fix your non-functioning portrait mode on the camera. This is the simple way, friends, even 2 ways you can try to fix the not working portrait mode on your iPhone camera. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you next time.